What's up, guys? Today we are going to be playing Bee Swarm again, but with our Gummy Bee. Yes, guys, I am back playing Bee Swarm, and we have gotten Gummy Bee, and we're going to test it out. As you can see, I got the stuff on me, pretty OP. And I'm doing this Blackbird quest. So let's see what the Gummy Bee can do. Let's go into the mountaintop field because Mondo's gonna spawn in a bit. And let's see what Gummy Bee can do. Also, our next hive slot is 110 million. So yeah, we'll get 33 bees. Tiny storm. Okay, we got this Gummy Bee in. Okay, that spreads. Who just did that? That was not me. I did not spread that. Maybe Gummy Bee? I'm not sure. We have to do that. Where's Gummy at? There it is. I need to get it up to level 8. Right now it's only level 7. Gummy Bee has like 2 abilities, I think. So, wait, let me just check. Okay, this thing. Big gumdrop thing. Okay, so Gummy Bee, gumdrop barrage, gumdrops in large area covering the field in goo. And then glob. Oh my god, is this it? Oh, I think that was the ability that we had. Gumdrop barrage. Oh, that's cool. Now I'm gonna get a lot of honey. I'm in goo. Because I have 10 mil. Oh, it's basically like you're using a gumdrop. Oh, that's cool. Oh, guys, also, grinding for the honeycomb belt. Because it's like a better belt than I have right now. And the only belt from another shop, I guess, that's actually good. Because there's no belt for like Gummy or Diamond or Demon, stuff like that. I love the splat sound it makes when it uses the ability. Also, guys, I'm going to try uploading a lot since I haven't uploaded in a long time. Yeah, sorry for that. Oh my god, 3 stump snails. Also, guys, I can kill tunnel bear now. I'll probably show that in the next vid because I killed it today. That means it's gonna take like 2 days. Mondo chick spawning in half a minute. Yeah, I'm kind of OP right now. I got all these ace badges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, I have 13 ace badges. This kind of looks like the Gummy Bee mask. I don't know why. Because Gummy is Gummy. And Mindo Chick is here. As I like to call him. Because it's fun. So I think maybe after the video, after Mondo Chick, we can end the video. I don't know, I just really wanted to show what the Gummy Bee did and stuff. Maybe I'll finish this quest with the Gummy Bee and see what happens. I'm not sure. running out of video ideas. I don't know what to do. Also, guys, I might film a meteor shower that my friend's doing tomorrow. Show the meteor shower and plus the OP guy, which is me, aka. And now my friend is here to kill the Mundo chick. Also, guys, I have 21 commando captures, I think. Comment down below how much you have. This sprout is gonna die. Also, yeah, you can tell I'm grinding for the honeycomb belt because I have 24 glue, 27 oil, and 36 enzymes. And I would not regularly have like 20 oil, 10 enzymes, 14 enzymes. I mean glue. And then like like what, 24 enzymes, 20s? I don't get the point of baby love with the Mondo chick if like Mondo chick prizes are based on how much. Where is my baby bee? Oh, it's over there. I think. I'm not sure. Well, we're doing some crit hits. And that's good. And my bag's almost full. Never had that from Mondo chick, but okay. My bag's gonna be full for the first time while defeating Mondo chick. An instant converter, because who cares? I know, but you need to get like ×7 or ×8 multiply. In 30 sec, actually. What is this flower? Can someone explain to me why like these flowers come up? Because I don't know. I think like pros or something, but there was no pro except us two. So how do these flowers come? Is it because of goo? Is it because of, I don't know? Please comment down below. Like a D-. Oof him. Comment down below if you've ever gotten a D-. What's Gummy Bee's attack? 32 bees if it's got 32 types of bees. I hope on getting the photon bee egg. But like I need glues for the honeycomb. So I feel like I'm gonna try getting the honeycomb. And I'm gonna save up for tickets after honeycomb. Because I really, really need it. What was I looking for? Yeah, I was gonna say, I'm thinking of getting Photon Bee next. Cause it's a good bee. So we cheated and got a B. And this other girl will get a B or an A. Comment down below what types of grades you would get in school. Because I'm good. Mono chicks are taking lots of damage. That's good. Oh god, no! Yeah, lots of people have been telling me to upload, so... Well, not lots, only like 2. So here you go, people. I'm uploading. You're welcome. Wish granted. Also, guys, wish me luck when I use my diamond egg. Because I'm gonna use one of my diamond eggs for a hive slot. And, I mean, for a mythic bee. I tried to get one. But when I asked people, they were saying that, like, I'm not gonna get one. Oh yeah. If you're wondering how I have 2 diamond eggs, it's because I have 1 silver egg, 1 gold egg, 2 diamond eggs, and 1 gifted silver egg. So I got the silver egg from a sprout. A gold egg, I don't know, from a sprout, I guess. I'm not sure. I got 1 diamond egg from inside 30B area, and then another diamond egg from the werewolf because I was lucky. But I just died. Oh god. And then I got my gifted silver egg from the first time I beat Tunnel Bear. So yeah, there you go. There's the insight on how I got all my eggs. This is the deep area. Nothing grows here. Let's watch. Nothing grows here. Yeah, now I can see it better. Because I had my screen up so you guys could hear me better. Oh god. Mono Chick has eliminated both of us. Mono Chick has gotten the victory royale. Level 8. My Gummy Bee probably hates this. Like, why am I level 7 and only level 8? Well, it's because you're a newbie. Probably missing. Oh my god. I got killed by the Mono Chick again. No. You kill me twice and I'll kill you 3 times today. Because I've already killed you twice. And you've killed me twice. So let's settle out the score. I am mountain top. Where did everyone go? There's 5 people in the game. What do you mean? Probably just don't see everyone. Oh, it's because there's like 3 people fighting the stumps now. So, yeah. Imagine Monos give us mythic eggs. Yeah, but we killed it too late. So, okay. Oh my god, I'm so low. Yes, I didn't die. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Mondo ASMR real quick. Well, that was a free ticket to Mondo ASMR. You used 6 royal jellies and got a vet. If you use 6, and I use 311, then I have to get one. I mean, come on, my loot luck is even 195, and I'm gonna grind for the Clover Badge Ace. That's gonna give me more loot luck. How much does that give me? Gives me plus 30% loot luck. You know how OP that is? That means I have to get the Vector. or spicy, or a tadpole, or a fuzzy. Z, Zuzu. Z and Zuzzy. I'm okay in Coconut Field right now. Wait, but that? How do you have Coconut Field? Don't you have less bees than me? You just said your house was 78 mil. I already have that. This makes no sense. Well, Mono Chick's about to die. So let's hear his last words of Mondo ASMR. Here we go. And that's it, everyone. Special time 2:36 right now. 12:36. And Gummy Bee with favorites for gumdrops. Thanks for that, Gummy Bee. A nice touch to all the honey we're getting. It really helps. A bit. Hey, every honey from dew helps, right? Every one of it. And if you build again. GG's. Gummy Bee going insane, be like. Well, okay, Mondo Chick is dead. Okay, guys, so thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I guess I'll see you later. Bye.